Best iPhone 14 case options for 2024. Provide utmost protection to your iPhone 14 now, as iPhone 14 cases are still available in excellent frames and designs in vibrant and contrasting colors. A few cases also include kickstands, while some others assist the users in crafting the fashion statement. No matter what they offer or not, they are substantially the best fit for your iPhone 14. Here are some of the best iPhone 14 cases 2024 that will never fail to captivate users. Smartish Gripzilla. This iPhone 14 case entails grooved edges that provides a better grasp on your handset. Available in vibrant black, gray, aspen, tropical, and space colors in suited design options, weighing 2.6 ounces in polycarbonate and rubber materials. Spigen Liquid Air. Spigen's Liquid Air is another best option for your iPhone 14, offering military-grade protection with no-frills design. Now available at discounted price of less than $20 in different colors such as matte black and navy blue and thermoplastic polyurethane. Moreover, it also prevents drops and falls in the first place with an anti-slip matte surface for better grasp. Vena V-Commute Wallet Case. V-Commute Wallet Case from Vena is another great multi-purpose case that offers 4-foot drop protection. Now available in slate, space, gray, silver blue, and rose gold colors, and a hidden card slot with room for 3 credit cards, along with a leather flap perfectly enfolding the back fold and a stand to prop up your phone in multiple positions. Apple iPhone 14 silicone case with MagSafe. Get this ideal iPhone 14 silicone case with MagSafe, available in multiple vibrant colors, including midnight, red, elderberry, succulent, and more. It's considered as a great fit that easily wraps up your phone in a silicone case, offering extensive protections with MagSafe compatibility and weighs approximately 2.8 ounces. UAG Monarch Pro. Now get UAG Monarch Pro for just $79. A great masterpiece offering 26-foot drop protection, which rocks in a slim fit and shock-resistant design. It's certainly a substantial option for all the users because of traction grip on the side, easy to operate with devoted MagSafe area, and available in several colors such as black, Kevlar black, carbon fiber, Kevlar silver, Millard, and silver.